Okay, so I lied. This is actually going to be the last video of the ability system prerequisites, and really the only change we're going to make is the parameters for add ability and effects. So basically what we're going to do is change it to where everything is passed in by a constant reference. That was a oversight on my part. So we're just going to go ahead and account for that change, and likewise, same thing with the array. So let's go ahead and make those changes in the header. Head to the .cpp and repeat, like so. Lastly, since in our case we're not going to utilize the context handle, we can go ahead and remove the line and construct a new one in the third parameter of make outgoing spec. And lastly, let's go ahead and confirm that we can build. All right, so we are good to go there. And then finally, the on input released and pressed, we are going to go ahead and do the same thing here, because we're not going to be utilizing these through Blueprint. We do not need to pass them, well, have the option of, let's see, what do you call it? Because in Blueprint, if you're not passing anything by reference, you don't need to actually have an object or anything of it. You can just like select from basically a little drop down, in this case of gameplay tags. That's basically what we're kind of taking away, because again, not utilizing this in Blueprint, so we have no need to do so. So let's compile and build, and we should be complete, which we are. So we are now good to go. So now our abilities and our effects that we're going to be adding to our ability system component are now passed in by reference, and likewise, so are the gameplay tags that trigger the ability input pressed and released events.